Hi everyone. I'd say happy fall, but here in San Antonio, I don't know that we're experiencing it yet. Can't wait to either get some rain or some cooler weather. But other than talking about the weather, I have some exciting news, and some of you have already been seeing it in your email. That is, we have brought some value to our clients by getting a new program called Fello, F-E-L-L-O, and it gives you your home value. It's a great place for you to go in and check on your home value as many times as you want, a day, a week, or a month. Now, it's never as good as if you're getting ready to sell and needing to know an exact number. That's why you need to contact us. But it does give you a ballpark, probably a little better than a Zestimate because it's using quite a few algorithms. And the companies that they use is Adam, Quanterium, and CoreLogic. CoreLogic is a very big company within the real estate field that does a lot of statistical information as well. So if you don't think what they're giving you is true, reach out. We'll always pop you an updated CMA real quick, but it is a great tool. We hope you enjoy it and garner whatever information you can from it. If you have not gotten an email from us yet, you'll be getting one. We had to send these out in batches. And again, if you have questions or are thinking of selling and really want to know the true number, because algorithms do not give you a true number. They'll give you a range of where they're pulling from lots of things, but they don't know if you have a pool. They don't know if you just put in a brand new kitchen 6 months ago, but it'll give you a ballpark. And so it's always fun to play around with. But for the hard numbers, give us a call. I hope you like it. And if you have questions about it, let us know. Thanks for joining me.